Hi guy. In this video we take a look at the best LED strip lights. We all know the benefits of LED lights for years: less power consumption, more life. Whether you are looking for simple and efficient light to lower your electricity cost or voice-controlled color-changing lights that sync with the music, LED lights could be the proper solution. And the good news is, you usually do not have to spend lots of time or money after searching for a suitable one. In this video, we will recommend to you the 5 best LED strip lights, so you can easy to decide which is best for you. The products on our list were selected based on their strengths and unique features. They are also appreciated by many people who have used them. The prices of these LED strip lights may vary from time to time. To know their exact prices, please visit the product link in the description. Moreover, don't forget to click like and subscribe to get the latest videos about these products. And now, we go to the top 5 best LED strip lights. Ranked 5th is Govee Smart LED Strip Lights 16.4 feet. The Govee Smart LED Strip Lights has some key features and specifications like convenient voice control, use Alexa or Google Assistant, Wi-Fi remote control, timer setting, enhanced music mode, and many other features. Do you want the most demanding LED lights with the phenomenon features? Govee is the right option for you. Though it is a little costly, the price is justified according to the features it has. The most exciting part about this light is you do not need any remote. You can control it with voice, Alexa, or Google Assistant apps. There are no complications in operating the strips. Just use any simple conversation to turn on the light, change the color, or set the mode. You can control it with Wi-Fi, so it is compatible with Google Home and Alexa. There are hardly any LED lights that offer Wi-Fi and Bluetooth control via an app. Install the Govee Home app on your iOS or Android phone and use it as a remote control. After installing this system in your home, you can customize the colors and set each preset's changing time. The exciting part of this light strip is it changes its mode by voice command. There is a built-in microphone that catches the sound and makes the light dance with music. You can sing any song, clap your hand, and the system will sync with that sound along with the beats. You can adjust the lights as under bed lighting, backlighting the TV, under the sofa, or wherever you want. By changing the color effects with music, relax your mind with these vividly beautiful lights. It will last for a very long time because the manufacturer cares about it with such enthusiasm. Ranked 4th is Nexillumi LED Strip Lights 65.6 feet. The Nexillumi LED strip lights has some key features and specifications like remote control via app, 65.6 feet in total, built-in mic that syncs with music beats, color changing and dimmable, and many other features. Whenever the guests come to your home party, the first thing they notice is the ambience. The party becomes dull if the environment does not look festive. Change the whole outlook of the party by switching on the LED lights. You can see how dramatically the surrounding changes. This light's most astonishing beauty is it pulsates and changes the color according to the music beats. You can enjoy a visual feast with the changes of the color effects. You can also adjust the lighting, brightness, or turn it on/off with a mobile app available in Apple or Play Store. However, these LED strips really impact a dramatic effect on your room. The installation process is super easy. Stick the light to a specific place. The tape adhesive is powerful, yet the packaging comes with some extra double-sided tape in case you may need it. The size of the strips is so long that it can cover up the whole perimeter of your room. You can cut the strips in the middle for customization. Stick this to any flat and dry surfaces. The hooks and screws included enable you to adjust it on an uneven surface. Ranked 3rd is Govee LED Strip Lights. The Govee LED Strip Lights has some key features and specifications like adjustable brightness, total length of 32.8 feet and 300 LEDs, remote control range of 32.8 feet, 50,000 hour product lifespan, and many other features. Many of you might be skeptical about the best LED strip lights on Amazon because some of them stop working after a few days, or the lights might not be as bright as you want. Govee has presented you with something which shows extraordinary performance. Once you figure out the proper way to set them up, this light's significant advantage is that it has the right brightness, not too blare or too dull. It has all the color options and effects that you expect. It has a guide and tips chart that helps you understand the settings and configuration. Enjoy a glass of wine with your partner in a romantic mood or a festive atmosphere with your friends. You can customize the ambience according to your need by changing the light modes. With the help of the remote controller, you can control the strip light far away from it. There is strong adhesive underneath the strips that stick with any dry and flat surface. In case you need any extra support to attach that with the wall, it comes with many hooks. You do not need anything to clean the dust off the lights because the set comes with cleaning wipes. This light setup is perfect for the bedroom, living room, or any corner of your house. After attaching this light in your place, you will feel lucky to stumble upon this fantastic product. And for the price, it is indeed a good buy. Ranked second is MINGER LED Strip Lights. The MINGER LED Strip Lights has some key features and specifications like high standard quality, 44 key IR remote, multicolor changing, includes a power adapter, and many other features. Decorate your room with the best LED strip lights, sync with music, and create a relaxing ambience or cheer your party guests with cool lighting. MINGER will fulfill this wish of yours. MINGER is a brand that pays attention to both quality and safety. First of all, it has a circuit board that gives you short circuit protection, you will find very rare in other brands. There is no light bursting risk because the high standard strip's working voltage is 12 V only, which emits lower heat. The second most notable feature of this light strip is its length. It is long enough to cover a large area. Suppose you want to decorate your bar counter or the living room. This one strip is enough to cover the entire zone. Its high flexibility allows you to bend and set it in any corners of your house. This light is superior to other lights in this aspect that you can cut and splice according to the length you need. You can separate this between every 3 LEDs and adjust to a proper size. That's why it is a perfect selection to use in any DIY project. Its color changing option provides you different color modes other than red, blue, and green. You can dim or enhance the brightness and create a customized color range from 16 multicolored options. Thus have a great time in a cozy and relaxed ambience after a hectic day and enjoy your me time in full. Ranked first is HRDJ Smart LED Strip Lights. The HRDJ Smart LED Strip Lights has some key features and specifications like mode changing with the music, easy sticking on the surface, 28 modes preset, control with a remote or mobile app, and many other features. Whether the other LED lights are ordinary and single function, this one is multi-function with high technology. You would be surprised to know its features one by one. You can adjust the brightness to higher or lower to suit the various places by a remote controller. Do you know what the most fantastic offer is? You can customize the light modes according to your moods. It can show around 28 dynamic modes like flashing, breathing, gradient, warm, and whatnot. You can set the timing of the light's mode changing, turning the light on or off automatically with the smart app. Do you want to change the color of the lights to the beat of the music? This multi-outdoor LED strip light has made this thing possible for you. It has a smart music mode, which allows you to change the light color, mode, etc. according to the beats. That's why it is perfect for the bedroom, guest room, and parties as well. You can stick the strip on any concrete and flat surface because it has strong adhesive tape underneath. The most useful feature of this LED light strip is its memory function that remembers the mode settings. When you turn on the light, it will again start from the last mode. With reviews of these 5 best LED strip lights, we hope you will choose the right LED strip light for yourself. However, they have different prices, and prices can change from time to time, so to know the exact price of each product, please visit the link in the description. Any questions, please leave a comment. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to encourage us and receive the latest videos. Thank you very much.